Alright, here's a quick video of our 2018 Dodge Durango SRT in beautiful granite crystal. 6.4 liter Hemi, 485 horsepower, normally aspirated. Great way to haul the kids or some extra passengers and not look like you've thrown in the towel. 3 rows, you've got your 20-inch wheels with your Revo brakes, front and rear. Got a powered lift gate, factory navigation, and she's clean all the way around. No dings, no scratches. Let's take a look at the interior real quick. You got your factory navigation right there. Sunroof. Got your black leather Alcantara seats. Second row captain's chairs. Got your keyless enter and go. Very clean all the way around. And it's under 10,000 miles, so it's a low mileage SRT. And it's still under all factory warranties. So there you have it.